Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 1995 to 2004 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and remove the bolt retaining the leaf spring. Cut off the factory front leaf spring mount. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Hold your front leaf spring support bracket up to the frame. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the front leaf spring bracket into place before welding the part on fully. Finally, spray the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend using our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your leaf spring. Then you're done!